Welcome to LEORON's live virtual training on financial management and the coronavirus pandemic. My name is Marc Cannizzo. I'm a banker by training and have extensive experience delivering financial training courses in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Over the past few years, I have conducted financial management and corporate treasury programs in the GCC area. The coronavirus pandemic is a global challenge which distinguishes itself in some ways from past crises, whether natural or man-made. Companies everywhere are coming to grips with the short and long-term implications. We recognize that the GCC are also challenged by a sharp decline in the price of oil. In our webinar, we will be examining some of the immediate financial management measures companies may consider in order to deal with the pandemic. While cash management and funding come immediately to mind, there are also broader strategic issues that will need to be explored by senior managers when formulating their financial strategy. I look forward to seeing you on our webinar, addressing financial management and the coronavirus pandemic. We are all in this together. Thank you and stay well.